Welcome to the ZaraNet channel. This time we will try to install a free remote VPN. We can get this remote VPN from the mitik.net site. With remote VPN, we can access Mikrotik remotely and outside the network. So by using a remote VPN we can open Mikrotik from anywhere and anytime as long as there is internet access. So later I will try to create a remote VPN. After that open Minitik via remote VPN. And finally try to open Winbox via remote VPN. Okay, let's just go to the mitik.net site. Then click the Remote VPN button. Here it says that this VPN is free 3 days and can be regenerated once the VPN is up. We can't order for 30 days because only Indonesian currency is available. Okay, let's continue creating the VPN. Here are available 6 that we can use. Please fill in as needed. For example, we can fill in the API port and Mikrotik Winbox port. We can see the API port and Winbox port on Mikrotik. Open Mikrotik via Winbox. Then go to the IP services section. Then check and make sure the port we input is the same. Remember here there are 6 ports, so we can use it for other. Whereas if it is not used then it is left blank or 0. Allowed IP serves as a deterrent to DDoS and brute force attacks. Like a hacker trying to break into our Mikrotik. Of course the IP used by hackers is different from our IP. So with allowed IP, then we can determine which IP is allowed to be able to access remote VPN that goes to our Mikrotik. Here we get 4 slots that we can fill. Remove all or give a value of 0 like this. If we still want the VPN to be accessible to all IPs. But if we want to avoid DDoS and brute force attacks, then please fill in the IP or domain that we want. To see the public internet IPs we use, we can see in the Winbox IP cloud section. Besides being able to use IP, we can also use domains as a solution if the public internet IP that we use is always changing. Then don't forget to also enter another IP, such as the online user manager provider IP. If you guys we use user manager online, such as Minitik, Mikhmon, Mikhbottom and others. Double-check all IPs or domains, which we have included. The next step, please click Create VPN. I can't promise anything that hasn't happened yet. So hope and pray by doing this. Our remote VPN and Mikrotik will be safe from hacker attacks. Okay, let's just continue. After we click Create VPN, then we will got an account with a VPN status like this. To be able to use this VPN, we have to copy-paste one of the scripts between OVPN, SSTP or PPTP. For example, here I choose to use OVPN. Then I clicked the OVPN button to copy the script. Then we open Winbox and paste the script into New Terminal. Now our remote VPN is ready to go. Notice here our IP is syh.mawarbiru.my.id. With API port 7226 and Winbox port 7227. API port is usually used for external user manager login, such as Minitik, Mikhmon, Mikhbottom or others. For example, because I use Minitik, so I use API port to log in to Minitik online. Then use it like this. If you have successfully entered the user manager that we use, that means the VPN account is active and ready to use. But to log in to Winbox using remote VPN will be a little different than usual, because here we use the port that we get from the VPN. Then use it like this. Congratulations, both ports can be used. Using this method, we can open Winbox and User Manager remotely, and even outside the network as long as it is connected to the Internet. We end our video this time. Hopefully this video is useful and can be understood well. We are from the Zaranet channel. Sorry if there are wrong words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and help share this video. See you in the next video.